Hello and welcome everybody. Today let's move on to our next portion of the topic that is called objectives of HRM. What are the objectives of human resource management? Well, objective means goals, aims, what we target at in HRM. So if we talk very basically, or we can say some very basic and primary function of HRM, human resource management, is to ensure the availability of competent, talented, and skilled and willing employees or workforce for the organization every time. Well, in formal way or standard way, we can categorize objectives of HRM into four categories. First is societal objective related to society. Number two is organizational objective that is related with the organization or the firm or the company. Number three is functional objective, especially related with the functional department, that is called HR department of the organization. And then personal objectives, which are relevant with the employees and workforce or people who are working in the organization. As far as the first is concerned, societal objectives, these objectives contains the utilization of the social resources, which are people who are working in the organization. It is the duty of HR manager or HR department or HR function that we have to use all those employees and resources in very ethically, in ethical way or in equitable way and in a very humanistic manner. We should not drive malpractices and exploitation of the employees. This should not be the goal of the organization. We are using the resources, human resources, of people as societal resources. We have to use them ethically in the best possible manner and in a humanistic way. It should also be the objective of HRM first and foremost. Number two is organizational objective. Obviously, the objectives or some goals or aims which are relevant with the from organizational point of view. Every organization aims at productivity and efficiency. So we have to manage human resources, or we have to carry out human resource activities or management, human resource management processes in such a way that the organizational efficiency and productivity is increased or assisted. For this, we have to do proper human resource planning, and we have to make our human resources employee productive and efficient so that our organization can get higher levels of productivity and efficiency, and then it can produce better products. So organizational objectives are always at the helm of the affairs of the organization, and under organizational objective, other objectives are crafted. So while crafting functional objectives and personal objectives, first we have to look at organizational objectives as a guiding source. So we also have to give ample importance to organizational objectives. Number three, on the basis of organizational objectives, every department crafts its functional objectives. Well, in case of HRM, human resource management, functional objectives are especially objectives which are especially relevant with HR department itself, pertaining with HR manager and HR staff whole. How our HR department as a manager, as executives and all these people do their roles and responsibility, perform their roles and responsibility in a better way so that they add to the productivity and betterment of the organization. How better they serve the organization in raising the productivity and efficiency for the whole organization while managing human resources. So functional objectives are the specifically particular objectives which should be pursued by HR department and HR management staff consciously. Next, or we can say targeting objective, or we can say other way, it is a personal objective which is relevant with the functions of HR, which is relevant with the employees, because human resource management, HRM department itself is a department which is specially assigned for managing the human resources. So these are the objectives relevant with the resources or people who are working in the organization. For this organization or HR department, we have to take care employees' needs, give them proper incentives and motivation, craft reward plans, reward schemes, and their growth strategies, different processes, functions, and activities we have to organize in organization, so that all these people and employees keep themselves motivated and give their 100% to the organization. If our employees, people will be satisfied, they would give their 100% to the organization, and finally there will be increased level of productivity and efficiency in the organization, and which would fetch higher profits and goodwill for the organization. So in this way, all these objectives, whether of societal, organizational, functional or personal, some or the other way they are interconnected, and they give a holistic picture of what HR function should be in line with. So these are the guiding principles which guide HR management in performing its functions and carry out its responsibility. Thank you so much. Bye.